Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Sheng again. And for today's video, I'm going to share some ESL companies nga nag-hiring karon. First company is CleverMinds. CleverMinds is hiring for work from home English tutors ug mao ni ilang mga requirements. Male or female, 22 years old and above. Bachelor's degree holder with online teaching experience and with TOEFL or TESOL certificate. Now guys, if wala pa mo ani nga mga certificates, just visit on my YouTube channel na ako'y video dito kung unsaon ninyo pagkuha kaning TOEFL for free. Okay. Next is strictly work 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. from Monday to Friday and 84 hours on Saturday and Sunday. Now their salary and benefits. So you can earn up to 20,000 pesos to 30,000 pesos monthly. And then guaranteed paid 4 hours daily. So daily 4 hours kay bisag wala pa kay estudyante or naka-estudyante paid na siya. Perfect attendance bonus, internet subsidy, and HMO. So mao to ilang mga benefits and also their salary. Now, how to apply this company? So just prepare a recorded class from previous employment, self-introduction video, diploma, TOEFL or TESOL certificate, resume. So mao na inyuhang andamon and just send this one to clevermind clevermindsacademyph@gmail.com. So again, guys, asa ninyo isend ang inyong requirements, just send to clevermindsacademyph@gmail.com. Now, naa sila take note diri nga incomplete requirements will not be entertained. So make sure that you will send the 4 requirements nga ilahang gi-state dinhi. Next company is Thinker English. Thinker English is looking for ESL teachers valid until March 31, 2024. So bago pa gini sila nag-post guys kay 2 hours ago pa gid ako nakita dinhi. So starting rate 200 to 260 pesos depending on your performance. Students, Vietnamese from kids to adults. Schedule 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Vietnamese time. Now, hiring process, please send these following requirements to thinker.online.english@gmail.com. So you need to send your resume or CV. Please include your Skype address. Now, your application letter. So please also attach your TESOL certificate. Now, if you don't have TESOL, just visit on my YouTube channel na ako'y video dito kung saan mo pagkuha ani nga certificate yeah, free ra siya. Next is your introduction video. So again, asa nimo isend, just send to thinker.online.english@gmail.com. So your resume or CV, application letter, and introduction video. Third company is Z English. Z English is looking for home-based ESL teachers to start immediately. Now here are the details. Schedule Monday to Friday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Platform classes via VUV and ClassIn. Starting rate 70 per 25 minutes class with potential to increase to 100 pesos. Now, how to apply? So, submit updated resume with photo, 1 to 3 minutes self introduction video, and then their hiring process is just for 1 day. Now, if you want to apply, just submit your resume and introduction video to their Skype account. So I will put their Skype ID on my description box and then submit your resume in there. So, naa sila note din nga qualified candidates will be notified within 24 hours. Next company is daghan kog nabasahan nga mga nindot nga feedback o nindot nga comment ani nga company, guys. And this company is Two Can Stock. Now, Two Can Stock is looking for home-based ESL teachers. Salary 150 per hour and then 26 minutes per class. So plus monthly class bonus, plus good feedback bonus, plus good enrollment rate bonus, and muhatag po sila og referral bonus. So daghan sila og estudyante. Average full-time teacher salary is 29,000 pesos per month. Now, if you want to apply this company, you need to prepare laptop, PC or desktop, and then built-in camera or webcam, headphones or earphones, quiet place, stable Wi-Fi, PayPal account. So in the future, naa na pud sila BPI or PNB Bank. At least 18 years old, excellent English, can open stable and wide slots. So their background, they have students booking from 5 a.m. to 24 midnight slots from Monday to Sunday. So pwede siyang i-part-time kay naa sila morning. So convenient siya. Next is booking system, training and materials provided, advanced platform, quick onboard process. So, guys, this is a Chinese company but not impacted by regulations. So, kani company, Tucan's Tucan Stock is a Chinese company. Now, if you want to know more about them, you can visit their website hr.happy.com. Now, if you want to apply this company, you can send your CV and introduction video and available slots to hr.happy.2canstock.com. So disclaimer lang, guys, I am not connected with these companies nga ako ang share ninyo, and all of those information is just based on my research. So thank you so much for watching, and I will end this video by a motivational quote by Milton Berle. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Thank you so much and have a nice day.